Hello everyone, we are solving here the grade 10 real numbers mathematics. First topic, that is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So I am going to explain what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is every composite number. So what is meant by the, first of all, composite number? The number which are having the prime factors, any three prime factor is called as a composite number. So in every composite number can be expressed as a product of the primes, and this expression is unique. So this expression is always what? Unique, except from the order in which the prime factor occur. So 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this is the only factorization can be possible of the 120. Now here it is said that except from the order in which prime factor occur. So it can be occur 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, or it can be 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. So here order is not important. Okay, order is not important. Okay, for your 10th standard, it is this topic is very important because there will be compulsory 2 marks question on this topic. So for that you need to remember that HCF, that is the highest common factor of the AB, into LCM, that is the lowest common multiple of the AB, is equal to what? Product of the AB. This formula is very important, compulsory, last since 10 years, 15 years. Compulsory one question occurs in this topic. Second is, any number ending with a 0 must be have the factor 2 and 5. As we know that 10 can be factorized as what? 2 5s are 10. Yes. So if it is the 20 or suppose 100, so it can be written as 10 into 2 into 5. So it will be any number ending with the 0 must have the factor of the 2 and 5. Other factors can be occur different, but there will be the factors 2 and 5 compulsory. Keep remember this and keep watching. Thank you so much.